Dinebank ng aktres na si Ellen Adarna ang chikang good provider umano ang estranged husband niyang si Derek Ramsey sa anak nilang si Liana. Noong Biyernes, February 20, 2026, ay diretsahang sinagot ng aktres ang ulat ng columnist-vlogger na si Christy Fermin tungkol sa sinasabing sustento ni Derek sa anak nito. Ayon kasi sa video clip na nirepost ng aktres sa Instagram Stories, nagbigay umano si Derek at ina ng aktor ng 4 na kasambahay sa nilipatang bahay ni Ellen para may katuwang ito sa pag-alaga sa kanilang anak. Bukod pa raw rito ang allowance na binibigyan ng aktor sa anak nila.
Diba ang balita, 4 na yaya pa ang kasama ni Ellen ngayon. Na sila talaga nagbigay ng mami niya. May 4 na yaya. Pagkatapos merong nilipatan na bahay. Kasama pa yung allowance ni Lily. So secure siya. Wala siyang dapat na idiretso. Dahil alam niya, ang diretso ay hindi na dinediretso pa.
Kaya naman mabilis na tinutulan ni Ellen ang pahayag na ito ni Christy Fermin. Ayon sa aktres, misleading and unfair umano ang pahayag ng veteranang kolumnista tungkol sa usaping sustento ni Derek sa anak. Inihayag din ng aktres na hindi pa raw magbibigay ng sustento ang aktor sa anak kung hindi niya ito pinaalala sa estranged husband niya. Anya, what kind of foolishness is this, Christy Fermin? The claims being made are misleading and unfair. Let's set the record straight. Truth matters. Facts matter. And credit should always be given where it is due. Last month, I told his assistant, no sustento, no Lily. That's simple. I am not demanding anything beyond what is fair, but I will not allow a father to live comfortably, just cooling his balls, while having little to no contribution to his child, because he gets to see her almost every day. Ibinunyag naman ni Ellen na nagbigay umano ng credit card si Derek matapos niya itong hinga ng sustento 2 linggo pa lang ang nakakalipas. Ang naturang credit card ay mayroong 50,000 pesos limit kada buwan. Ayon pa sa kanya, sa computation niya ay 55.80% lamang daw iyon ng kabuang monthly expense ng anak nila ng aktor. Anya, only after I called him out did he give a credit card, 2 weeks ago, with a 50,000 pesos credit limit. That amount covers only 55.80% of the actual breakdown of Liana's expenses that I clearly presented. Let's be accurate about that. Nilinaw naman ni Ellen na hindi si Derek ang nagbabayad ng staff o kasambahay niya noong nagsasama pa sila sa isang bubong. Ayon sa aktres, siya umano ang nagpapasahod sa kanyang staff. Dagdag pa niya, mayroon daw siyang 5 nannies at 2 ay naka-assign kay Lily. Sinabi rin ni Ellen na ang tanging sinagot umano ni Derek ay ang pasweldo sa isang nanny para kay Lily. Anya, and let's also correct this narrative. Neither he nor his mother has ever paid for mayayas or household staff. Not now. Not even when we were married. I paid for my own staff. I have 5 nannies and 2 are for Liana. They only paid for 1 nanny for Liana. I paid for my own groceries. And they did not provide a house for me. I did that myself. Let's not rewrite history. So please, let's stop being delusional and stop branding someone as a good provider when the numbers and reality say otherwise. Sa huling bahagi ng kanyang post ay inilarawan ni Ellen kung ano ang tingin niya sa isang good provider. Anya, a real provider doesn't wait to be called out. He gives willingly. He takes initiative. He doesn't rely on words, flexing, or public image. Kasunod nito ay nagpa-ask me question si Ellen sa Instagram Stories upang sagutin ang mga katanungan mula sa netizens. Tinanong ang aktres kung magkano ang binibigay ni Derek na sustento para sa kanilang anak bago nagbigay ng credit card ang aktor.
Since October last year, he hasn't given. Past October, November, December, January. So came January, I had it. My family was like, nope, don't tolerate that shit. If he doesn't give anything, then no Lily. That's simple. So that's when I called them out and I think they panic. Eh, well, nothing man. So, there. But 2 weeks ago, less than 2 weeks ago, the credit card arrived. Yun na yun. And then grabe magka-flex, bili ng cars and all that. So, you see where his priorities are. Right? Oh my God.
Inilahad ni Ellen na kung mayroon man daw na ibibigay si Derek noong nakaraang taon, ay tanging diapers at gatas lang umano para sa anak nila. Ayon pa sa kanya, hindi raw niya naramdaman ang sinasabi umano ng kampo ni Derek na may binigay na supplies ang aktor para sa anak nila noong October o November.
Well, to be fair, he said he gave milk and diapers last November or October, but I don't know. We didn't see it because I'm the type that I hoard. I hoard milk, I hoard diapers. I mean, diba? I even hoard makeup. What more food and stuff for my children? So, di namin yun nakita and di namin ma-trace. Sana he can provide receipts, so, no, it's there. But he said that he sent milk and diapers in October. So, there. I will not discredit that. And, I think this month, he bought milk daw. That's good for 2 months, but I already bought also good for 3 months. So, it's not here with me. So, there. So, let's not discredit that also that he bought daw.
Tinanong din ng aktres kung bakit siya pumayag na isama ni Derek si Lily sa pag-celebrate ng Pasko at Bagong Taon kung hindi raw ito nagbigay ng sustento para sa anak nila. Sagot ni Ellen, kung siya raw ang tatanungin ay wala raw sanang problema kung hihiramin sa kanya ni Derek ang anak nila kahit hindi umano nagsusustento ang aktor.
Well, at the time, October, November, December, I was okay with it because, wala, it didn't really bother me because kaya ko naman eh. I mean, I can support Liana myself. But then it was my family who like knocked some sense into my head over the holidays when we spoke about it. They were like, what? Wala pa siyang bigay? You know what? Parang like, kung wala siyang bigay, then no, don't let him see Lily. Simple as that. Don't beg. Don't ask for anything. But if he doesn't give, then no Lily. Diba? Parang, kasi naswerte. Tama lang naman. So there, when I told them January na, yun na yung rules ko. Kung hindi kayo magbigay, din walang Lily. So, yun, dumating yung credit card 2 weeks ago.
Sa pamamagitan ng text ay tinanong ng pep.ph si Derek kung gusto ba nitong sagutin ang mga naging pahayag ni Ellen. At ang tanging sagot ng aktor ay, I'm sorry, but I will not engage. If this brings her peace, so be it.